Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today we have the Sub-Zero fridge BI-36U-0. That's the model and serial number. And the customer's complaint is that the fridge beeps at the middle of the night on and off. It happens once in a while. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And last night he saw it says DOOR in here while it was beeping. And I got here to see what's happening here. So anytime the doors are not closing, it doesn't matter if it's the fridge or freezer compartment. The freezer is here and the fridge is here. Anytime your fridge door is not closing properly, you're gonna have the beeping noise and it may lose its temperature, or it will not work properly, or once in a while when you open the fridge door you will see all the lights are off and then it will be like this. But you will be able to see these numbers here. If it looks like this and the lights are off while the door is open, that means the light got overheated because the door was not closing properly, and that caused the whole issue. So now the question is, how are we gonna find out if the door switch is the problem, or if the door is not closing, or there is something happening with the door closure? So what we can do is, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look at all of these shelvings, the way the customer has loaded all the shoppings here. This one seems okay. This one is okay. If you look at this, see, it's closer here. And if we have these trays here for these bottles, if it's getting attached here, closer here, or if this one is too close, like this, or even like that, it may not close properly, and that can possibly cause the door to stay slightly open and cause this lights to overheat and die. They usually die and then they come back to life because they have to get cooled down. It overheats and then it comes back. So if you're a customer who opens the fridge door and he sees or she sees that it looks like this, if the fan is running or not, if you have no light and the display looks like this, of course we got problem here. So let me see. Anytime I close the door, so for example when I close the door, at this moment the light should go off. So I found my problem right away, that this is my problem, because even when it was when I had it pushed in, my lights were still on. So that tells me this is the problem. But remember, we can always look at our groceries the way they are loaded here. So if something is closer to these shelves or these buckets for the bottles and it's interfering the door to close, of course we're gonna have problem. But I just confirm it while making this video that this switch is the problem here. So I did this and now it's okay. I'm gonna replace the switch anyways. To replace the switch, we need the model and serial number to get the correct part. And when I replace this, if I get a chance, I'll make a video and show you how to do this. Thank you.